Hi there friends, this is Deepak Kshatriya and I welcome you all to another new session in Deepak's Kitchen. And from now on I'm going to start a new series called as a Maratha food recipes, in which I'm going to show you all our authentic food with complete details of it. So in this session I'm going to teach you how to make sprouted horse gram dal, that in our Marathi we call it as a kulticha dal. Sprouted horse gram is very good for health. Health benefits of this is innumerable. So without much talking, let's see how this beautiful recipe is done. And now to make this horse gram curry or kulticha sar, we need to make a nice masala. For this we required a fried onions. This is not totally a fried onion, but it's just sauteed onion which is just got a translucent color, and nearly a 50 grams of grated coconut, and I have nearly got 10 peppercorns, 4 cloves, and nearly a 1 inch of cinnamon stick, and a little bit of kothambir, that's coriander leaves. In a mixie jar I will add the coconut and also the spices, and this is the coriander leaves, and also we'll add this fried onion. For this you add some water and make a fine paste. And here you go, the masala paste is nicely done, and we'll keep this aside. And here I kept a cooker pan to heat. For this going to add nearly 2 tablespoons of oil. And look, now the oil seems to be hot enough, and in this I'll add nearly 2 pinches of kasturi methi and 1 medium sized chopped onion, and cook until the onions get translucent, and also add finely chopped tomatoes. And we'll mix this until the tomatoes get soft. And now look, the oil is all floating on the top. At this time I will add nearly 1.5 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, a half a teaspoon of turmeric, and give it a nice mix and saute until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. And now look, it has been cooked completely. At this time I will add nearly 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, or you can adjust this according to your heat or according to your taste, and a 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Here I have taken a rock salt, you can add according to your taste. Give this a nice mix once. Soon after it has been mixed with the masala, add a little bit of water so that the powders don't burn. And now allow this to cook. And now look, everything is cooked perfectly and the oil is also floating on the top. This is the indication that we need to add in the ground masala paste. Don't waste this, add some water and keep it aside. And you need to mix this well. And cook until the raw smell of the onions and the masala goes away. And now look, the masala is cooked completely good and all the raw smell is gone at this time. And here I got the sprouted horse gram. This is what we want, and just washed it thoroughly, and I have taken 2 medium sized brinjal or aubergine which has been cut like this cubes. So we need to add this into this masala. So we'll strain the water and add this into this masala, and we'll mix this well. Now look, it has been mixed nice and well. In this I will add this water At this time I have taken nearly 20 grams of tamarind, soaked it and squeezed it to a juice, and I'm going to add the tamarind juice at this time and give this a nice mix. At this time you check the seasoning. If you want some more chili powder or some more salt, you can add this at this time. And now everything is done perfectly, and now we'll close the lid and cook for about 3 whistles. Now look, it's been 3 whistles and all the pressure is gone. Now let's open the lid. Wow, now look, it just cooked perfectly. Everything is nice and good. Here you go, the sprouted horse gram dal is now ready to taste, and that to a authentic Maratha style recipe. Look how beautiful this looks. Can you believe that this recipe is this easy? Then what are you waiting for? Go there and do this recipe and let me know how it went in the comment section down below. I will be waiting for your comments. I hope you guys like this video. If so, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon and also hit the all. Then only you will get all our updates whenever we upload a new video. So I'll be back with another recipe. Till then, this is your host and host Deepak Kshatriya. Jai Hind. Namaste.